Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will first want to access your boot options by swiping down from the top of your screen. I believe top right side to be more specific, as we have the power button right over here. Click on it, and then you want to hold power off from the boot options. When you hold it, it changes into safe mode with a quick message. Tap again to restart your phone and safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. Now you do need to confirm your screen lock if you haven't unlocked your device, or I was pretty sure I did unlock it, so that's kind of moronic, but let's do it. It is Samsung. Let's not look for logic here. And you can see we are now in safe mode. Now in this mode, even though it's a downloaded apps, so you might associate this with apps that you have downloaded, it's actually not just that. You can see that there's a lot of Samsung applications that get turned off in this mode, including things like camera and even browser. So there's a lot of applications that Samsung downloads when they force you to connect to Wi-Fi network for some idiotic reason. And that's one of the reasons why I guess you can't really set up the device without connection to internet, because this piece of shit needs to download all these applications. And as a downside, when you boot into safe mode, you have basically no apps that you can use other than things like Smart Switch, Contacts, Messages, your gallery, settings, Play Store, Store, and that's about it. Along with Google. Of course, Google is available here. Oh, and obviously the dialer. So this mode is designed for troubleshooting. If maybe you're an app developer, you create an application that is right now completely screwing up your device and the way it's functioning, just because it's designed to run in the background. By booting your phone into safe mode, this application can no longer run even in background, so you can fix it, delete it, whatever you want. And once you're done doing so, you can then swipe down again from the top right side, click on the power button once more, and select restart. And you can see we are now back in normal mode. But there's one last thing that I want to quickly mention before we go clicking off. When we first enter safe mode, our device will automatically enter airplane mode. But for some reason, Android is retarded enough to enter it automatically, but not leave this mode automatically as well. So you can see we're still in airplane mode, even though we're no longer in safe mode. So we'll need to remember to turn it off once we leave this mode by swiping down again from the top right side and clicking on this little icon, assuming it's visible somewhere in here. If it's not, you can swipe down to extend this list and click on edit if you still can see it, and then edit right here and add a control, and then find it from here, tap on it like so to add it. Done, and you should have access to it. When you turn it off, your device will automatically reconnect to things like Wi-Fi, mobile data, and just general mobile services, as it would typically disconnect from those in airplane mode. So, like I said, it's something that you do want to remember. In any case, with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.